Hi boys and girls, welcome to Penny's Number Nook. I bet you thought I was going to say Penny's Reading Nook, right? Right, well I tricked you today, maybe kind of like a pre-April Fool's, huh? No, but this is a different thing we're going to call, and I'm going to call it Penny's Number Nook, okay? Each week I'm going to concentrate on a number. At first, we're going to try to do the numbers 1 through 10, but eventually I like to do the number. Actually, we need to include 0 in there too. It's a number a lot of people forget. So 0 through 10, and then we'll go and then we'll do 11 through 20, okay? And I hope this helps you at home, the ones that are learning to write your numbers and different ways to look at numbers and counting. So I hope this helps you with that, okay? So, welcome to Penny's Number Nook. That's how that started, huh? The number we're going to concentrate on today is the number 9, okay? So we'll come right over here and let's get started with it. All about the number 9. And when we spell 9, it is spelled N-I-N-E, okay? So we have the number 9, and then we have the word 9, all right? Now let's turn the page and get right into it. Okay, so we have a writing rhyme, and sometimes, I know with me and my kids in my class, it helps us to learn to write the numbers if we have this little rhyme we say as we do them. It kind of helps you catch on quicker to them, okay? And so the writing rhyme for the number 9 is a hoop and a line that makes the number 9. And so when you think about that, that's what the number 9 is, right? It's a circle, which is the hoop, and then it's a line, 9. And that line's kind of curved there a little bit, okay? So what I need you to do is I need you to go get a piece of notebook paper, white paper, notebook paper, whatever you happen to have, and I want you to get your box of crayons. So I'm going to wait for, I'll wait for a minute or two while you go get that stuff, okay? Do 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 do. Whew, that was a bad edition of that, wasn't it? All right, are you back with me? You've got your paper and you've got your crayons, right? Right, okay, let's get started. So the first crayon I want you to get is I want you to find your orange crayon, okay? So everybody got their orange crayon? All right, now we're going to make a number 9. I've got to push my paper up here just a little bit. Now you ready? A hoop and a line that makes the number 9. See how easy that is? And you just say that to yourself over and over till you get it. And then you'll be making 9s all over the place. Everywhere you look, I'll see 9s. All right, after your orange, now let's get out the green crayon. Find your green crayon in your box. Got it? Okay, ready? A hoop and a line that makes the number 9. All right, next, let's use the red crayon. Got your red crayon? All right, ready? I'm not going to say it this time. I'm going to listen for you to say it at home. You ready? See how easy that is? You just catch on so quick. All right, next we need yellow. Find your yellow crayon in your box. Okay, and yellow's kind of hard to see, but I'll try to push hard. A hoop and a line. That makes the number 9. Okay, next we have the color brown. All right, everybody have their brown crayon? Let's find a spot to make a 9. A hoop and a line. That makes the number 9. And what's so funny is after I say them for a while, all day long I catch myself kind of like singing a little tune or saying it over and over to myself. A hoop and a line. That makes the number 9. Find your blue crayon next. You've got it? Okay. A hoop and a line. That makes the number 9. Got it? All right, next we need our black crayon. Find your black crayon in your box. You ready? I think I'm going to put it down here in the corner. A hoop and a line. That makes the number 9. Next we need, what color do we need? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 8 crayons that I'm using, and I've used 7 colors. I have blue, orange, green, red, yellow, black, and brown. What color is missing from the 8? The 8, like your basic 8 colors of your crayon box. I heard somebody say purple, and you're right. We need the purple. Last one. Okay, I'm not going to say this one. You guys say it for me. Ready? Good job. A hoop and a line. That makes the number 9. Good work. So that's a quick little writing rhyme that helps you learn to write your numbers. I hope it helps you at home. All right, we'll move on to our next page. The next page we have is the 10 frame. And do you remember the last time I talked about this, what a 10 frame was? It's 2 rows, 5 columns there. It'll equal up to 10. And it's a way for you to learn subdiving, or looking at it and being able to say, oh, there's 9 things there. Without having to count them, you would know there was 9 objects in there, okay? Well, this time I think we're going to make green circles today, okay? So find your green crayon. If you want to use markers, you can, or even colored pencils. But today I'm concentrating on crayons. Now what number are we concentrating on? Remember, the number 9. A hoop and a line makes the number 9. And we need 9 green circles. Okay, you ready? I'm going to color mine in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Good job. So 9 green circles. So now when we look at that, boom, we know that's 9, right? Right. Okay, good job. Now the next page. Okay, now we're going to work on tally marks, and that is another way to group objects, making it easier for you to count and learning to count. For our tally marks, I'm going to use the purple crayon. All right. Now, if we remember tally marks, they are grouped by in 5s, okay? And we need to make how many tally marks? What's our number this week? Right, the number 9. All right, so let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then for that 5, it's kind of like you're marking across them. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job. And we'll learn to look at that and we'll know that's 5. 5 plus 4 there, we have 9, right? Right. Okay, good job. So now we'll move on. We've got our tally marks down. Let's move on to the next page. Our next page is the counting skills, and that's the one where we want to get our number line out. You can make one at home, or you can ask a grown-up to go onto the computer for you, and they can search for free number lines, and you could print one out like I've got here, and I've got the numbers 0 through 20. Now, the question it's asking is, what comes before and after the number 9? Okay, so let's find our number 9 on the number line. Let's see. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, right there's our number 9. So what number comes before the number 9? What's that number? That's right, it's the number 8. So take a crayon and then right above the word before, if you want, you can put the number 8. Okay, and now let's find our 9 again, because now we want to know what number comes after 9. So find your 9. Do you see it on there? Where is it? I'm not going to count this time. I want you to be able to recognize the number 9. Where is it? You're right. It's right there. There's 9. What comes after 9? The number 10. I tell you what, you guys are so smart out there. I'm so proud of you. So right here, we're going to write the number 10. Okay, now we have to count on. We're going to count forwards, count on from 9, and then we're going to count backwards from 9. Okay, so again, find the number 9. Do you have it? Right there. Okay, so we're going to count from 9 to 20. You ready? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, good job. You did good counting there. Whew. Now we're going to count backwards. And sometimes counting backwards can be hard and tricky because we're just used to going forwards. But it's a very important skill to learn, okay? So let's count backwards. You ready? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All right, good job. You did a great job with that, boys and girls. All right, so we learned what number comes before the number 9 and what comes after. We counted forwards and then we counted backwards. Then we also worked on tally marks, yes. And then we have the 10 frame that we worked on. We can look at that. We know that's, boom, 9. 9 green circles. Okay, and then we learned a writing rhyme to help us know how to write that number 9. A hoop and a line, that makes the number 9. Okay, so that was all about the number 9. Now I have a fun math game to play to go along with the number 9. And we all love math games, right? Right. Well, for this particular math game, you're going to need a set of flashcards or a set of number cards, or you can take out little index cards and just write your numbers down there, okay? We've got that. And then I've got a little mat here, and then I also have some Play-Doh. And you want to know something really weird about me? I'll let you in on a little secret. A lot of people might not know this, but I happen to love the smell of Play-Doh. I don't know what it is about it, but I love the smell of Play-Doh. That's the weird thing you didn't know about me, huh? All right. Then the other weird thing is, how do you get the Play-Doh out of the container? Need to make it a little easier, don't they? Okay, so I've got a ball of Play-Doh out of my container. Now for this activity, you need to make 10 little balls of Play-Doh, okay? We're going to make little circles. We're making a round. So there's 1. Hope I got enough Play-Doh out. If not, I'll have to go back and dig some more out of there, huh? 2. I love the feel of Play-Doh. It calms me. It's like my little, kind of like a stress ball that maybe some grown-ups use. That's 3. 4. Do you see how I'm kind of setting that up? What thing am I using to set that up by? I'm using a 10 frame. You're right. I'm telling you what, you guys are so smart out there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if I have 5 and I want 10, how many more do I need? Do you have any idea? Well, let's see. 6. What do you think? 5 more? I thought I heard someone out there say I needed 5 more. 7. Ooh, some are a little small, some are a little big. 8. 9 and 10. All right, so I have 10 balls of Play-Doh, right? Right. And then I have my number cards. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to play Play-Doh Smash. Everybody loves to smash Play-Doh, right? Right. Well, you're going to take your cards, and my flashcards are two-sided. On the front, I have the Sesame Street characters, and you will see the number on the front of my cards. Then on the back of my card, when you turn it over, you'll see like one duck, right? Okay, and then we have two. We have two little pink tutus. Three fish. So you see, we've got the number on the front and then the number of objects on the back, okay? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these and I'm going to hide them out of sight, and I'm not going to look, and I'm going to pick a number. Now, if your cards are not two-sided and they don't have anything on the back, you can take them and lay them out on the table face down and then pick one up and see what number you get. So I'm going to see, I've got the number, what did I get? I got the number 6. Now here comes the fun part. Now if you don't know that this is the number 6, just by recognizing it, you can turn it over and you can count the objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bags of birdseed. Okay? Now the fun part starts. We get to smash 6 balls of Play-Doh. And I'm going to use my thumb. You ready? And then we're going to count. 1, 2, that's always fun. I'll do my fist there. 3, 4, 5, and boom, 6. Nothing like smashing Play-Doh and counting and learning at the same time. That was pretty cool, wasn't it? And you can just continue on once you've smashed your little Play-Doh balls, build them back up, and play it again. You can have like a good rainy afternoon inside. This would be a good rainy day activity. Get out your Play-Doh and your number cards and have fun smashing Play-Doh. I love it. Just because I love it so much, I'm going to do one more card, okay? Let's see. I've got the number. Do you know what number that is? Okay. It's the number 3. And if you're following our number Nook, I talked about the number 3 last time. Around the tree and around the tree. That's the way to make a 3. So now I'm going to smash 3 Play-Doh balls. And if you don't have to keep them in the tin frame, and I think for this one, I'm going to spread them out all over the place. There. All right, I have to pick out 3 to smash. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Love it. I think that would be, like I said earlier, a great rainy day activity. Okay? Well, I hope you learned a little something today, and I hope you had a little or a lot of fun. And I'll see you next week with a new number at Penny's Number Nook. See you next time. Mwah.